abamaziyo abasambe bambo awuzomalo abamaziyo abasambe bambo.
How do you feel when njengaka namhlanje la eThekwini?
Umsholozo wenze yonke lento. Ungathatha amandla kababa wanike mina ubaba.
Mfethu uvale wonke umgwaqo mfethu eThekwini wenzakalani mfethu?
Bani kwiTheku sizotshela abafundi sizotshela abantu bomphakathi ukuthi asivotele umkhonto wesizwe sekusele only a few days. Let us go all out and turn ama VGs abe black and green. Sithi msholozi umkhonto wesizwe party siyaphambili.
Mandla
Phambili ngo-2/3 majority phambili.
Yo, se mete se posa. Yo, con tus
but I want to promise you, ukuthi back in my office of Umkhonto Wesizwe Student Movement, we have more than 10,000 registered members of Umkhonto Wesizwe Student Movement nationally. And in them now, if sikufaka sikunike membership yomkhonto wesizwe Student Movement, we ensure ukuthi siyaregister ukuthi uyovota. Asinawo nje ama-member angeke azavota. So I don't want to waste your time, comrades. Namabhasi asasendleleni amanye eselindile. Njengomkhonto wesizwe Student Movement, saying as Umkhonto Wesizwe Student Movement, we took a decision last year in December 20 with our comrades who are former SLC members in various institutions, who have led also in other student organizations. Ukuthi baba uma esibiza esasiphumeni sonke in all sectors, kubalulekile ukuthi nale sector yabafundi ibe nayo i-organization ezoyirepresenta ngaphakathi komkhonto wesizwe party. Sikwenzelani lokhu? Asikwenzi ngoba nakuthanda kamnandi kubo uNkulunkulu ke ngenza kwethu into emnandi ngoba thina uthe ubaba uMsholozi uma ekhuluma nathi ukuthi asondeleni sasondela on the 29th of May kuyothi uma siqeda ukuvota suthola u2/3 majority lokho kusho ukuthi this is our last Friday singaphansi kwahulumeni we-ANC. This is the last year abafundi bethu bezoqeda ama-degree abo bagqoka amajazi ebese ama-degree awahlala phansi kombhede. Unyaka wokugcina lo iy'ngane zakithi kumele zihambe ziyothengisa ngemzimba yazo ema-ofisi emasipala ukuze zithole umsebenzi. Kuphelile. Sukela manje ebukhwalifaya wongena umkhondo wesizwe wongena uMsholozi sawuthola u2/3 majority sayishintsha le constitution engasiyona yethu abantu abamnyama. We are under the Dutch law. Ingaki izwe lethu libhedukile kanje ngoba kade ngibona nje sinyuka la ngomgwaqo amaphoyisa akithi abantu abamnyama bayathula kuthiwa ibhamu bathosa nje abantu abahudlanzana ngebhamu. Ngobani? Isystem akusiyona yethu abantu abamnyama kwakuvele yakhiwe labelungu. Kubalulekile-ke ukuthi siwuthole u2/3 majority siyishintshe le constitution so that we change the entire system of the country. Siyawufuna umhlaba wethu, siyawufuna umhlaba wethu, siyayifuna i-free education yethu, siyayifuna imisebenzi yethu. Asidlali uma sithi sifuna i-healthcare system e-equal kuwo wonke umuntu. Ngikwazi nami ukuyongena e-Compton Hospital ngaphandle kwe-medical aid. Angifuni ukunimoshela isikhathi bafowethu, sesikampenile sayisho imanifesto yethu fuMkhonto weSizwe. Okubalulekile bafowethu ukuthi thina sonke asenzeni iqiniso. Uma sisuka la sihambe siyongena o-door to door, i-rest to rest, kuma-corridors, ema-library, everywhere. Lapho khona umfundi simtshele ngomkhonto wesizwe phansi, simtshele futhi kungani kumele avotele umkhonto wesizwe. Ngifuna uku-acknowledge nje abahola bakhona la ngaphakathi kwethu ngeke nazi nonke bafowethu ningixolele.